You know what the most common problem with these speakers is? And the problem is that they break the charging connector. And this case was no exception. I don't see the point of putting in a new micro USB connector, so we take a thing like this and put it into the case as the size allows. Let's see where we can plug it in. And there is a lot of space on either side, so that's where it's going to go. Screwdriver, a herringbone drill bit, and we make a hole with a diameter of 12 millimeters. In the hut. Let's see what we can plug in here. There used to be a charging socket here, and we see that there are 3 minus tracks and 1 plus track. So I'll solder the plus here and the minus here. Soldered the wires to the new connector, soldered it to the board, and now I need to modify the charging cable. Bite off the old plug. We take off the insulation. And we only need the red and brown wire. The green and white can be bitten off. Now we need to solder the plus lead to the center and the minus lead here. Let's check the work. Everything is fine, the red LED is glowing. It remains to be checked. Now the current is 0. Plugging in the plug. The current is 500 milliamperes. So we have a very reliable, almost eternal charging connector. And that's the end of it. Good luck, everybody.